What do you call a kernel that's singing and dancing? A pop star. All right, enough with the jokes. Let's get to pop. This is what you'll need: an air popper, a bowl, and baby white popcorn by Dell, Cove spices and more. To me, the most annoying part about eating popcorn is like getting those little bits stuck in your teeth, you know? Little bits are called the hull. Now with air poppers, it doesn't get hot enough to pop all the kernels or to really get that part off. That's why we're going to use the baby white, because it has a very thin hull. Get you more kernels popped and less little bits stuck in your teeth. To be honest, any method to pop popcorn is pretty easy, but this right here might be the easiest. We're going to pour in a half a cup of the baby white kernels. Set this aside for now. Now machines can be different depending on the manufacturer. Be sure to check your instructions to see what the maximum the popper can handle. Before we plug this in, let's take off the plastic chute because that can get very hot. We don't want to burn our hands on this. We are going to turn the popper on. This will turn on the fan and start the heating element in the popper. Don't put your popcorn in while this is happening. This is really loud. Now we are going to place the chute back on top. Pro tip, if you want to melt your butter, place this in here and then place it back on top, melted butter. Before we put the kernels inside, we're going to place our bowl right underneath the chutes, place our kernels in the popper, place this back on top, and we're just gonna let the machine do all of the work. Once all the kernels are popped in the bowl, you can remove the bowl and unplug your popper, and you're good to go. You can go ahead and add butter to your popcorn if you want to, as well as any seasonings, buttery garlic or salted caramel, white cheddar, buffalo, whatever you want, and add however much you want. It's your popcorn, live your best life. As always, be sure to like and follow us for more popcorn tips, tricks, and recipes. Cheers. I got it this time, let's go.